Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to cover putting an Otterbox Defender series case onto an iPhone. So these cases are really great, super durable, pretty water resistant, not waterproof, but pretty water resistant. So they're great for protecting your case. And one of the keys is this flexible outer case that they have. So it'll come with that as one piece, a hard shell bottom side, and a hard shell clear top side that will protect the glass but also let you control the screen through it. So the first thing to do is take your phone and you can place it in the bottom case, and at this point you want to make sure that your phone screen is pretty clean. So if it's not clean, try to get a real lint-free cloth and clean that off. Same with the other side of the clear case. Make sure you clear that off with a lint-free cloth. And because if you have stuff trapped within there, then it's going to be pretty irritating to see every time you're using your phone. So from here, you simply snap the edges together. You'll see there's tabs along the sides and the top and the bottom. So just work your way around and try to get those tabs to kind of snap in tightly. Be gentle with them because they are plastic. So you want to make sure that you're not snapping off any of the little tabs. They're pretty durable, so you should be able to get it in easily. You'll hear a click for each one of them. Once that's in, then you're ready to put on the soft outer case. So this gives some shock absorption to the whole case. So what you do is just wrap it around and kind of fit it here into the groove on the hard inner shell. It's pretty easy just to kind of move it around, fit it in there. It's pretty flexible, so I think you'll find it easy to kind of push it in just like this. So just try to get it in all the way around, and this will really help with the water resistance. Again, you can't really drop it in a lake or a pool or something like that, but if you're out in the rain or something like that, then your phone's not going to get damaged. Lastly, you'll see the two tabs at the bottom. Those are to kind of get pushed in and protect the power and the audio ports. So once they're pushed in, again, that helps with the water resistance and just keeps dust and dirt out of them as well. So when that's done, your case is protected. It can take a moderate fall. You might even be able to step on it without too much trouble, and everything should be good with the case. So there you have it, putting an Otterbox case onto an iPhone. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. We're always coming out with new helpful videos all the time. And comment if you like the video, and also if you have any suggestions on new subjects that we can cover in this series. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.